Evening everyone. First of all, I introduce myself. I am Ajay Kumar and I have experience of 15 years and I have done a big research about English learning and I have also seen that in different courses in market, some teachers, some institute, they are teaching to the student and they are paying very handsome amount, very big amount. For English learning, they are taking 10,000 rupees, some are taking 20,000 rupees. There are number of institutes are there. But I must tell you, English learning cannot be learned in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. And instead of going to different institute and paying a big amount, I must tell you, my dear student, I am going to just give you the full course of English on my YouTube day wise. I will be taking just 90 days or 120 days as per my course. So in that course I will be teaching you full through English, because English communication is not about learning few words or learning grammar. It has number of things you are to take on. Number one, if you see that, first of all, English learning cannot be possible if you do not have knowledge of verb. I tell you guys, V-E-R-B, verb. I have done a great research and I have taken out all the verbs from the dictionary with synonym, the verb in a synonym form, and I have taken out from A around 250, from B I have taken around 250 or 300 with synonym also. And I must tell you guys, without the knowledge of verb you cannot make sentence. If you want to say to your colleague or your friend that he please stir the vegetable, so stir is a verb, right? If you want to say that he has defied my order, D-E-F-Y, defy is a verb. So if you have the knowledge of verb, so you can have a very good English. So my dear friend, if you see in the market there is no dictionary based on verb. If you see any course, any YouTube video, you will not find any video on all the verb. So my dear student, I have specialization on verb. Daily I will be discussing 10 to 15 verb, and as far as verb is concerned, apart from it, there are 30 topic of grammar, and all 30 topic, if you have knowledge about it, grammar topic and then verb and then trending words. In all newspaper there are trending words, and if you find that every day, suppose in today's newspaper, Nepal has Yang, all the Indian newspaper, so Y-A-N-K, Yang, what is the meaning of Yang? So these kind of trending words also. Mayhem is a trending word, milieu is a trending word, ambience is trending word. So these kind of trending word will also be discussed in my course. There will be a blend of verb, then grammar, then trending words, and some English communication sentences. Daily you will have 20 sentences also. And after joining my course, I tell you, my dear student, after that no need to go to any institute, no need to pay any amount, a big amount. Simply you keep following my YouTube channel. I won't say just you like my YouTube channel or subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am a social worker and as a teacher, because teaching is a noble work, and as a teacher I want to teach my student free of cost. It's a social service as well. So I am going to teach you English in 120 or 150 days. Every day I will have 1 hour class and you will have something different. But I have seen that in different YouTube channels, some teachers they speak 5 to 10 sentences, some teachers they say 5 to 10 words, and these kind of things, just all about making money. So teaching is not all about making money. Teaching means whatever the teacher has, a teacher should give everything to the student. So this is my first class, and this is an introductory class, and from tomorrow onwards you would be finding 1 hour class daily. And once you have attended my all 120 class, I must tell you, student, your language will be fantabulous. And second thing, the importance of English. English is very, very important language. Without it, you cannot manage in India, right? So today it's a small video because this is an introductory class, and if really you want to be a good communicator, you want to be a good English speaker, so you will have to attend my all 20 lessons, because in all 20 lessons you will find something new. So with this I would like to end my introductory class, but I tell you, my dear student, English is not a bugbear, it's not a hawa. It requires practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. And every day you will have to learn 10 to 15 words a day. Out of 24 hours, you can easily give half an hour to your English communication. And English is a global language, and it's a mode of expression, right? So if you have knowledge and if you are not able to express your knowledge through this English language, then your knowledge will be a wastrel. So with this, I would like to just end today's class, but wait for my first, second, third and fourth and fifth class. You will have all the verb from the dictionary, important verb, and after learning those verbs, because without verb you cannot make sentence, after that your English will be fantabulous. So thank you so much for today, and have a nice evening.